More than 60% of SUV buyers today consider long-term reliability their #1 priority, and it's easy to see why. With repair costs climbing and vehicles expected to stay on the road longer, selecting an SUV capable of surpassing 200,000 miles is more important than ever. Here are the most reliable SUVs as of March 2025. Let's get started. Number 6. 2025 Mazda CX-5. It's reasonable to argue that the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is one of the most agile compact SUVs in its class. But beyond its sharp handling and responsive driving dynamics lies an often overlooked strength: long-term durability. Mazda has engineered the CX-5 for dependable low-maintenance performance. Its robust construction, high-quality components, and refined powertrain contribute to an ownership experience that's as reliable as it is enjoyable. Under the hood, the CX-5 offers two solid engine options: a 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, and a more powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged version with up to 256 horsepower. Both engines are known for their smooth operation and long-term reliability, hallmarks of Mazda's commitment to longevity. Unlike many rivals that rely on continuously variable transmissions, Mazda equips the CX-5 with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. Built with hardened steel gears and an advanced hydraulic system, it delivers precise, consistent shifting over the long haul. Another standout feature is the standard iActive all-wheel drive system, continuously monitoring factors like wheel slip, steering input, and ambient temperature. It intelligently adjusts torque distribution to reduce drivetrain stress and improve traction in varying conditions. Rounding out the package is Mazda's Skyactiv vehicle architecture, which reinforces the SUV's structural integrity. With high-tensile steel and strategically placed reinforcements, the CX-5's chassis not only improves crash protection, but also enhances overall durability for years of dependable use. Number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. Subaru has long been praised for its dependability, and the 2025 Crosstrek continues that tradition. Alongside the Forester and Outback, the Crosstrek stands out as one of the most reliable subcompact SUVs on the market today, thanks in large part to its rugged powertrain and Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Built on Subaru's global platform, the Crosstrek features high-strength steel and well-engineered crumple zones, which enhance both crash safety and long-term durability. This sturdy foundation also allows the Crosstrek to handle rough roads and harsh conditions with ease. Under the hood, buyers can choose between a 2.0-liter or a 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer 4-cylinder engine. The base engine produces 152 horsepower, while the 2.5-liter variant offers a modest boost in performance. Neither engine is tuned for speed, but both are engineered for longevity and consistent reliability. Backing this is Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, which uses a reinforced steel chain and adaptive software to deliver smooth power, reduce internal friction, and improve fuel efficiency, all while maintaining long-term durability. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system remains a standout feature. It delivers exceptional traction and stability, especially in difficult driving conditions, while also reducing wear and tear on the vehicle. This makes the 2025 Crosstrek a smart and dependable choice for drivers seeking long-lasting performance in a compact, go-anywhere SUV. Number 4. 2025 Lexus Nx. The 2025 Lexus Nx continues to set the standard for dependable luxury SUVs. Known for its long-term reliability, the NX combines premium comfort, efficient powertrains, and proven engineering, making it one of the most trusted compact luxury SUVs on the road. The base NX is powered by a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque, paired with a smooth and durable 8-speed automatic transmission. A more powerful 2.4-liter turbocharged engine is also available, delivering 275 horsepower and 317 pound-foot of torque for a more spirited drive. For efficiency-minded buyers, the NX 350h Hybrid and NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid offer electrified performance with strong fuel economy. The hybrid combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors and an eCVT, while the plug-in model adds a lithium-ion battery for electric-only driving capability, both built with long-term durability in mind. Built on Toyota's GAK platform and reinforced with high-strength steel, the NX boasts excellent structural integrity, crash protection, and ride comfort. Lexus also equips the NX with advanced reliability-enhancing tech like direct injection and the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. With efficient yet durable powertrains, solid construction, and Lexus's signature build quality, the 2025 NX is a luxury SUV designed to last, making it a smart choice for those who expect both comfort and dependability. Number 3. 2025 Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V remains a leading option in the compact SUV category, recognized for its strong reliability, efficiency, and overall build quality. Engineered for long-term use, it offers robust powertrains, a sturdy platform, and low maintenance requirements. The standard CR-V is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 190 horsepower and 179 pound-foot of torque. It is paired with a continuously variable transmission designed for smooth, efficient shifting and reduced long-term wear, using reinforced components and precise hydraulic controls for enhanced durability. The CR-V hybrid combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 204 horsepower. Its electronic CVT ensures seamless power delivery while minimizing mechanical strain, supporting both fuel efficiency and longevity. Both powertrains utilize Honda's Earth Dreams technology, aimed at improving combustion efficiency and reducing internal friction, thereby extending engine life. Built on Honda's global architecture platform, the CR-V incorporates high-strength steel to boost chassis rigidity and crash protection while keeping vehicle weight in check. Available real-time AWD with intelligent control system helps optimize torque distribution to enhance traction and reduce drivetrain stress. With a history of high resale value, excellent safety scores, and proven long-term reliability, the 2025 Honda CR-V remains a top choice for compact SUV buyers focused on durability and dependability. Number 2. 2025 Toyota Rav-4. The Toyota Rav-4 ranks among the most durable compact SUVs on the market. Known for its long-term reliability, many Rav-4s have been driven well beyond 250,000 miles with proper maintenance, a testament to Toyota's commitment to building vehicles that stand the test of time. At its heart is a 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque, paired with a durable and refined 8-speed automatic transmission. Together, they deliver smooth, efficient performance with minimal long-term wear. For those prioritizing efficiency, the Rav-4 Hybrid and Rav-4 Prime plug-in hybrid offer electrified versions of the same engine. The hybrid features permanent magnet synchronous motors and a sealed nickel-metal hydride battery, while the Prime uses a lithium-ion battery. Both setups are engineered for longevity and excellent fuel economy. Toyota also equips the Rav-4 with advanced technologies like D4S dual injection, variable valve timing with intelligence, and direct fuel injection. These systems optimize combustion, reduce carbon buildup, and help extend engine life. Structurally, the Rav-4 is built on Toyota's new global architecture, which incorporates high-strength steel to increase chassis rigidity without adding excess weight. This contributes to both its impressive crash safety ratings and long-lasting durability. Number 1. 2025 Subaru Forester. The 2025 Subaru Forester stands out as one of the most dependable compact SUVs on the market. This year, it was named Consumer Reports' most reliable vehicle overall, topping even Toyota and Lexus, an impressive achievement backed by Subaru's reputation for long-term quality. Under the hood, the Forester features a 2.5-liter Boxer 4-cylinder engine, producing 182 horsepower and 176 pound-foot of torque, paired with a Lineartronic CVT for smooth, efficient performance. Subaru's engineering ensures durability with reinforced components and adaptive software that reduce friction and improve fuel economy without sacrificing longevity. Built on Subaru's global platform, the Forester benefits from high-strength steel and well-designed crumple zones that enhance crash safety and chassis strength. Combined with the legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, it delivers excellent traction and stability across all weather and terrain. Safety is also a highlight, thanks to Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist suite, offering intelligent features that make the Forester not just reliable, but one of the safest vehicles in its class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.